Hello, it's Amanda, the nail polish hound, and today I got a parcel from the lovely Nika. I know other people have got parcels too, and they've already videoed the release of their parcels. I've been putting mine off till I can record with as little road noise as possible, so if you do hear a few cars in the background, that's because I live next to a road. And normally I do my voiceover recordings quite late at night, but I just couldn't wait to open this parcel. So I'll stop talking now and just get on with it. So here we go. Aha! So this is a belated Christmas present, and this little fellow is for my other half, Lee. I'm sure he'll enjoy that very much. Right. Wow. Okay. Some more light on this, I think, if I can. We have an A England. I have quite a few A Englands, but I definitely don't have this one. It's a lovely purple called Elaine. So that's great. I shall add that to my A England collection. And some more hand cream. That's always incredibly useful. Thank you very much. I think this one I might put in my handbag. I'm going to have to search through all of this really carefully to make sure I don't miss anything. But we have some striping tape. Oops. And some little nail art stickers on a stamping plate. Wow. Okay, I'm being spoiled here. Nika did say she's been waiting for some stuff before sending it to everybody. Hold on, scissors required. Oh, that's very pretty. And it's one that I don't have. I do have quite a few big bang plates, but I don't have this one. That's lovely. What next? Ooh. Now that is interesting, seeing as I have just filmed a Cuccio collection and said how much I like Cuccio nail polishes. And this is called Wow the World. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, okay, pretty serious. So now I have two pretty serious nail polishes, and this one is called Precipitation. Very pretty. So now my pretty serious petrichor is not on its lonesome. Okay, and a base coat. Very nice. In fact, I don't have that many base coats, so this will be very useful indeed. I've got loads of top coat, but I don't have much base coat. Thank you. Alright, now I have to try and search carefully through the rest. A little buffing block. I used to have one like this, but I used it to the point where it was no good anymore. So this is really good to have another one. And we have some nail art brushes. I do get through these certain types of them anyway, like the cleanup brushes, I do get through very quickly. It's always helpful to have more. That's great, thanks. Oh, couple of little nail charms or ornaments, whatever you call them. And some nail transfers. I've never used this kind of thing before, but they're really cute looking. Some of those I think might be quite useful in the coming year. That's lovely, thank you. So let's do a little swatching. First of all, here's the A England, Elaine. That's very pretty. And then we have the Pretty Serious in the colour Precipitation. Excuse the slightly cack-handed swatching here. And we have the Cuccio in Wow the World. And that's quite amazing really, considering there's no white undies there. And I'll do second coats on all of those and then show you what they look like afterwards. So here we have the A England, beautiful purple. Lovely formula, as it always is with A England polishes. Then we have the Pretty Serious in Precipitation. It's actually more green leaning, more teal leaning than it shows in the camera. It's looking quite blue, but it's actually far more green than it looks. Then we have the Cuccio, Well the World, and that really is, just for 2 coats, extremely opaque. Very unusual for colour like this. No white underneath it, just straight onto the swatch stick, 2 coats, and there it is, completely opaque. Right, I think that was everything. I will check through really carefully to make sure I've not missed anything. But here we are. Some lovely nail polishes and other bits and bobs, which are all lovely. I have been very spoiled. Not even sure I've got it all back in the box now. Where is it? There you go. Oh, one more. So there we go. Very lucky, and a lovely post-Christmas present, something lovely to have looked forward to. So thank you very much, Nika. And now I can go and watch everyone else's videos.